Hey everyone, here we are at Crankworx Innsbruck 2021 and I want to talk you through some details and specs on Vali Höll's pump track bike. Vali's frame of choice is a track ticket, and obviously because pump track's all about speed and generating speed, she chose Maxxis Icon tires. They're definitely providing a good compromise of rolling speed and traction because there might be a little bit of loose on top. She likes the max speed compound, 2.2 tire width and about 38 psi pressure.